Hello, I saw your question in the email. I can't show it all on the screen here, but it looks like you're probably asking about part E and F here, how to get standard deviation. So you could calculate it by hand, or you could use StatCrunch, which I'm showing here. So how do you get the mean and standard deviation, say with StatCrunch, or you can use calculator. So you're given this information here. You're given X number of cards and the probability of having that many cards. So I just have that number of cards in variable one and the probability of having that card here. And so if you'll click on Stat and Calculator, the first choice, and choose Custom Calculator, then if you'll put in variable 1 for the variable and the weight at variable 2. So if you'll then select these two columns and press compute, you get the mean, which is 3.09, and you get the standard deviation, which is 1.877, if you round. So I'm using StatCrunch. Of course, you do have a formula for that. It'd be pretty messy to do the formula, though. So I like to, you can use your calculator. So that's where that number comes from. Just using StatCrunch to come up with it. This one here, they're saying probability is well, that's not part of it, but it's more than 2 standard deviations above the mean. So the mean's 3.09 and standard deviation's that. So it'll be the mean plus 2 standard deviations comes out a little bit more than 6.8. And so we're talking about number of credit cards, and so that's going to be like 7, 8, 9, or 10 credit cards. And so that'll be these last 4 numbers. And so I believe if you add these 4 numbers here, you get 0.07. So that's where it comes from. It's standard. It's mean plus 2 standard deviations give you this, and so it's 7 or more. So I just add these numbers, which you already could calculate it up here for part F, and I use StatCrunch for part E here. I hope this helps.